Introduction: struggling with stubborn belly fat and longing for a toned body? Meet LeanBiome, the groundbreaking probiotic that teams up with your gut to turbocharge fat loss. Unique approach: skeptical about probiotics for weight loss? I was too, until I tried LeanBiome. In just 3 months, it transformed my belly without extreme diets. Probiotic Power: the star's Lactobacillus Gasseri, a probiotic that fights fat 3 ways. It shrinks fat cells, tames hunger, and battles hidden inflammation. More strains, more power. But LeanBiome isn't just one probiotic, it's 9 strains with 20 billion CFUs. These work together, reshaping your gut and boosting fitness. Enhanced with GreenSelect Phytosome is on board too. It's a caffeine-free green tea extract that enhances absorption, supporting your gut and weight loss. Maximum effect: each LeanBiome serving arrives intact with delayed-release capsules. These shield the 20 billion live microorganisms from stomach acid. For everyone, LeanBiome suits everyone. It's vegetarian, vegan, and free from gluten, dairy, soy, nuts, and GMOs. Made in the USA, scientifically proven. At Lean for Good, we demand the best. Our research led to LeanBiome's potent ingredients, all held to strict quality and purity standards. LeanBiome offers a holistic weight loss solution, combining probiotics, science-backed ingredients, and advanced delivery methods. Achieve your health goals and embrace a transformed, healthier you with LeanBiome.